Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic of discussion is LCD projector. First of all, we have table of content, introduction, types, composition, characteristics, history, working, how to use, advantage, conclusion. We study in this. First we have introduction. What is LCD projector? LCD is an abbreviation of liquid crystal display which is used to display video on projector or at any surface. It is used to display video, image or computer data on screen. This diagram clear view of LCD projector. Types of LCD projector. There are three main types of LCD projector as follows. First, DLP, second, LCD, third, LCOS. DLP. DLP stands for Digital Light Processing. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. LCOS, which means Liquid Crystal on Silicon. Here is a diagram that show DLP, LCD and LED. Some explanation about DLP, LCD, LCOS and laser projector. DLP is most common in cinemas and theaters for displaying movie etc. And LCD projector is used in events, hobbies and at home for some game playing and videos. LCOS I can generally would not say to use this. Avoid it by buying. Is same like LCD. A laser projector are really best for on-stage performance. They can react much faster to contrast and work much better for 3D effects. These are the great projectors to wow an audience but come at a cost. Composition of LCD projector. At upside we see some menu buttons for input, enter, arrow and auto setup, power button, on stand, lamp, warning etc. And at right side we see air outlet, downside we see adjustable feeds, front side we see zoom lever, projection lens, focus lever, and there is also a remote control signal receiver. In internal we see first lens, which is the most important thing in LCD projector, and top case, cooling fan that's purpose to cool interior of LCD projector, image path, a path that through which a image converts and display on the screen, LCD screen that makes every color brighter and make higher resolution, electronic circuit on which it works, and brighten light bulb. Detail of LCD projector. Components: LCD panel, prism, filter to create image on screen. The lamp give white light that passes through a polarizing filter. Polarizer accept light traveling same plane. Other lights are blocked. Then light pass through series of diachronic mix separation of light into RGB. Three colors are sent to separate LCD panel. Each is capable of controlling one color. From this light is combined using prism and sent out to the LCD projector. Characteristics. The image we discussed above, zooming and focusing rings etc. The nature of LCD technology gives it some significant benefits over other projector technologies like digital light processing DLP, constant color LCD projector but put every color on the screen at the same time. Brightens LCD projector typically produce brighter and more saturated image, sharper image and history. Invention. The LCD projector was invented by New York inventor Jenny Dolgoff. He began working on it in college level in 1968 as a way to produce a video projector that would be brighter than the available 3CRT projectors. Question Huygens. By 1659, Dutch scientist Christian Huygens had developed the magic lantern, which used a concave mirror to reflect and direct as much of the light of a lamp as possible through a small sheet of glass, on which was the image to be projected, and onward it a focusing lens at the front of the apparatus to project. He made a simple and usable uh, object and a device which is used to display image in the old days. Here is a diagram that was used to display images. This diagram gave a back ear view of LCD projector working. LCD projectors work a little differently. A beam of light, high intensity light, travels through thousands of shifting pixels in an LCD display instead of through a frame of transparent film. And these projectors does not just use a single LCD display, either they use three, which is why they are also called three LCD projectors. King, how a projector display image. To display images, LCD projector typically send light from a metal through a prism or series of diachronic filters that separate light into three polysilicon panels, one each of the red, green and blue component of the video signal. As polarized light passes through the panels, combination of polarizer, LCD panel and analyzer, individually pixels can be opened to allow light to pass or closed to block the light. The combination of open and closed pixel can produce a wide range of color and shades in the projected image. Uses of LCD projector. As we discussed, a projector is an output device that projects an image onto a large surface such as white screen or wall. It may be used as an alternative to a monitor or television when showing video or image to a large group of people. An LCD projector works are on transmissive technology. LCD projectors are more popular than many alternatives due to the fact that they are cheaper to produce and have excellent color reproduction. They are commonly used in business meetings, presentation and seminars. LED versus LCD. First table is LED and in second table LCD. Contrast ratio is high. At another side, contrast ratio is medium. Medium viewing angle, low medium viewing angle, high price, low power consumption, medium power consumption, faster response time, slower response time, more color accuracy, less color accuracy, thinner or thicker. Means to say LED is more accurate than LCD. How to use or how we use it. Guideline for using LCD projector. Projection surface. Projection surface should be neutral color and best situated for natural color tones. Shutting down the projector, press the power button A message may appear to check whether to turn off the projector. Again, press the power button. Projector will turn off. Before unplugging the projector from electrical port, wait for 2 minutes to off the projector fan. Also, ensure the flashing light is off before the projector unplug. Additional audio and video devices. Projector has other additional ports to connect VCR, DVD and cameras, which can further improve the utility of the LCD projector in education. Advantages. What are the advantages of LCD projector? LCD projector have historically had three main advantages over DLP projector: more accurate color, sharper image, more light efficient. Items. These are the basic 3 or 4 items which are required to make a presentation on LCD projector. First, LCD projector, a remote and a screen and a controller. Conclusion. As all these are above things are above discussed in view, LCD projector is a good thing to learn more thing at a big screen, and also a facility for professor to teach easily as shown. Thank you.